Hi everybody, this is another iSafe lesson. We are talking about cyberbully talk with Dot and I. It says E-rate cyberbullying unit. Buddies, not bullies. What is a bully? What is a cyberbully? Hey Dot, what is a cyberbully? A cyberbully is someone who uses technology to upset you on purpose. So um, technology can be a lot of things, but they mean phones, they mean iPads, iPods, computers, laptops, messaging, and to other people. Okay, you must take care to make good choices when you use technology. Technology connects you to the internet. How is a cyberbully different from a bully, like an in-person bully? Well, a bully will upset you in places that you can see. Exactly, but a cyberbully uses technology to upset you. What kinds of technology does a cyberbully use? Well, let's see, that's the internet symbol. Looks like this might be a phone or an iPad or iPod or a tablet and video games and a computer. What does a cyberbully say and do? Oh no, he's crying. Call you mean names. Tell other people not to play with you. Say mean things. Try to make you afraid. Yeah, look, he looks like he's hurting him. A cyberbully is let's see, this is a blank. Is it a buddy or a bully? I think, let me see if I can grab something. Sorry. I'm going to grab a check mark. Cyberbully is you know what? There are no check marks, so I'm going to use a happy face. Is a bully. Okay, we're putting the happy face for the answer. We're not saying a bully is good. What is the difference between a bully and a cyberbully? Okay. Cyberbully talk with Dot and I. E-rate cyberbullying unit. Buddies, not bullies. Will I know the cyberbully? Sometimes you will know the cyberbully from school or your neighborhood. Could really be anybody that you know. But sometimes you will not know the cyberbully. It could be a stranger. I like to play multiplayer games. Will a cyberbully try to upset me when I play online? Cyberbullies may try to upset you when you play a game online. So I make sure an adult is near you. How cyberbullies make you feel. Look how sad. Oh, angry. Oh, just not like maybe embarrassed. Ah, like shocked. Oh, look at my tears forming. I'm sad. I did not know that. I feel safer already. Did you know that our school has rules about cyberbullying to help us keep safe? No cyberbullying. Yes, no cyberbullying. What does a cyberbully use to upset other people? It says circle. Well, let's see. Oops. Sorry, Mrs. Young is trying to circle. So let's see. They can use a computer, right? They could use, what else could they use? Think about it as I try to grab the circle. Let's see. What about a video game? Yes, they could come on your game and they could make you not feel nice. They could make you feel bad. Oops. Sorry, guys. I don't know why this isn't working. There we go. Nope, did not work. Okay. Mrs. Young's having technical difficulties. That means she's having issues with her technology. Okay. So, a video game. Yes, a video game. Or what else? Maybe a console. Well, that's part of the video game, right? So we'll circle both. The internet. Yeah, you could get a bully on the internet, right? The internet bully can use the internet. What about a soccer ball? No. An apple? No. A teddy bear? No. Looks like a shoe or a high heel? No. Not a cyberbully. People can still use these things to be mean, but they're probably not going to use these on a computer to be mean. But what about the tablet here? Yes. How does a cyberbully make a person feel? Do you think they feel happy when they get bullied? No, they don't. They don't feel good. What about sad? I think so, right? What about embarrassed? Yes, they can. Will they always make you feel the same way? Maybe not. Hopefully it doesn't happen at all. Let's see, what about, oops, my happy face has moved. What about angry or shocked? Yes. And what about sad? Yes. They probably will not make you feel happy, but they'll make you feel a lot of other things that are not very nice. What can you do about cyberbullies? Part 1. Oh, yeah, part 1. What to do when a cyberbully tries to upset you. What will you learn? You will learn what you can do when a cyberbully tries to upset you. Does a cyberbully send text messages? Yes, a cyberbully may send you text messages to upset you. A cyberbully will say and do mean things to hurt and upset you on purpose. Oh, well, a kid at school has been sending me hurtful text messages. Look, says, you look funny, lumpy head. Nobody likes you. I am going to get you. Oh no, those are not nice. It looks like the kid at school is also a cyberbully. Yes, it sounds like maybe they're going through something and need help. What should you do when a cyberbully tries to upset you? 1. Stop. Stop. Stop and think. Why? The cyberbully cannot see that you are upset. Do not reply. Why not? This may make the cyberbullying worse. I actually suggest go and get a grown-up. 2. Save. Save the message or post, if it's a post, by taking a screenshot. Why? You may need to show the messages to someone in charge, so like a school principal, a grown-up, an older sibling, somebody who can help you. Do not delete it. Why not? If you delete it, you will not be able to show grown-ups who can help stop the cyberbullying. 3. Talk. Talk to a grown-up right away. Even if it's a fun game, stop what you're doing and go get a grown-up. A parent, a teacher can help you stop the cyberbully, and you will also not feel like you are alone. Do not keep it a secret. Why not? By keeping the cyberbully a secret from your parent or teacher, the cyberbullying can get worse. Plus, they can help you. The parent can help you and maybe help the bully too if it's another kid. 4. Block. Block the cyberbully. Why? The bully will not be able to send you any more mean messages. 5. Report. Tell the people in charge. Why? Cyberbullying is a serious problem. These grown-ups can find out who the cyberbully is and make the cyberbullying stop. Yes, let a grown-up help you. I received text messages. What should he do? Should he A, reply to the cyberbully? B, stop? C, forward the message to his friends, which means send it to friends so they can see it. No, we want to, what do you think? Stop. We want to stop and go find a grown-up. Who should I talk to about the cyberbully? So who should he talk to? Should he talk to his friends? Should he keep it a secret? Should he tell the grown-ups in charge? He needs to tell grown-ups, okay? It's okay to tell a friend, but you need to tell a grown-up because the grown-up can help you. A parent, okay, or a teacher, or a principal. Circle the things that I should do about the cyberbully. So let's see. Should he block them? Yes. Actually, get a grown-up and tell the grown-up to block them. Should he report it? Yes, but you could also tell a grown-up to report it. Sometimes that might be a better idea. Stop what you're doing. Yes. Should you delete it? No. Wait for a grown-up to see it. Should you forward it to a friend? No. Could you forward it to a grown-up? Ask a grown-up. Should you save it? Ask a grown-up. Should you reply? No. Should you talk? Yes. Should you keep a secret? No. Let's review. Stop what you're doing. Save the message or ask a grown-up to save it. Talk about it. Don't keep a secret and report it. All right. What you can do about cyberbullies. Oh, this is the next part. So the next part will continue on another video. Thanks, guys.